Hey my peeps, welcome back to a unique journey food channel. Today we're going to do some Jamaican pumpkin punch. Now this type of pumpkin is called a calabaza squash. Look here peeps, when I came to live in America, I look high and low for Jamaican pumpkin and I was not able to get a hold of any. So I used what I was presented with in the supermarket, and that is the calabaza squash. I use it in my soup. So I said, might as well use it in my pumpkin punch. All right. So first thing you're going to do is go ahead and clean out the middle. Remove all the seeds, the strings, everything that is inside the middle. We're going to cut it up into smaller pieces and then cube them up. All right. The only thing that I don't like with this type of pumpkin is the skin. The skin hard to peel. The back is, me say, let me tell you, say skin tough. But anyway, take your time and peel it. All right. So after you cube it up, go ahead and put it in a down bowl. Rinse it off. The amount of time you rinse it off is your business, not mine. All right. Put that in a one small pot. Add some water to it. We're going to cover it up. Once you cover it up, we're going to go ahead and cook it. Once it cook, we're going to remove it from the stove top. Let it cool. Once it cool, add everything, including the water and boil in, into a blender and blend it until it's smooth. Now, I start off with a large pitcher, as you can see. Unfortunately, I had to change it to a big bowl because everything could not hold in it. So go ahead and add your guineas, your sopigen, yeah, some Irish moss, the peanut. I use a peanut flavor Irish moss. So then called Irish moss? Yes. And we're going to add some vanilla extract, some nutmeg, grated nutmeg, some allspice, and also we're going to go ahead and sweeten it with a condensed milk. All right, go ahead and mix that all up. Yes, stir it up real good. Now, this is optional. You don't have to add it. It's just my preference. A little rum make it taste a little nicer. Anyways, go ahead and pour it out in a glass with some ice and enjoy your Jamaican pumpkin punch. All right? Take care. Blessing and love always. Bye-bye.